Hi, I'm Al DiMaria, and in this episode of Modern Maintenance, we'll go over the proper way to charge and discharge your battery. Proper discharging and charging, along with proper maintenance, is key to long life for your forklift. You don't want your battery failing prematurely. It's one of the most expensive parts of your forklift to replace. For most lead-acid batteries, your charging areas should be well ventilated, contain proper PPE, and an eye wash station. Use the correct charger for your battery. Your charger amp hour rating should be close to your battery amp hour rating. Too high of a charger amp hour rating could damage the battery over time. Too low, and the battery will take too long to charge and may not fully charge. Keep hoods and covers open for cooling and ventilation. Battery vent caps must remain on. Plug your charger into the truck battery, not the truck. Most chargers will automatically turn on. If not, press the start button. Do not remove the battery from the charger until it is completely charged and the charger turns off. If your battery and charger are designed for opportunity charging, then you can shut down the charger and use the truck whenever you need it. When plugging and unplugging, grab the plastic housing or optional handle. Do not push or pull on the cables. Make sure the charger is off and the display reads charge complete before disconnecting the battery. Unplugging the battery from the charger while it's still charging can damage the connector or even the charger. Allow the battery to cool down per manufacturer's recommendations before returning it to service. Although not always possible, the best way to cycle lead-acid batteries for maximum life will be 8 hours use, 8 hours charge, and 8 hours cool down. Equalize charge the battery no more than once per week. Check the battery water level weekly after the battery is fully charged. Fully charge your battery before putting it into storage. If you need your batteries tested, think you may have an issue, need a new battery, or just have questions, call Modern at 1-800-8-MODERN. We will keep your fleet rolling.